Welcome YouTube, it's your girl Mickey Molly, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys what this Tinsel Tone Sparklights Trio set is hitting on. So yeah, this eyeshadow basically is perfect for like any type of holiday glam you'll be trying to do this holiday, for like the Christmas or the New Year. So it has like a lot of sparkles, like a lot of glitter in it. So if you're like that type of girl, you're probably gonna really like it. So there's 3 of them in the set. There's a white, a lavender, and a magenta. So the magenta one kind of looks kind of red, like when you look at it it's like a really bright pink, but it's magenta, it's not red. So yeah, this is what all 3 of them look like, and they come in the set for $35, baby. Like it don't get better than that. So I'm gonna start with the white one, and this is Glisten. It's a pearly white ice. I'm using a eyeshadow applicator to apply it to my eyes. This eyeshadow applicator was not in the set. This was actually from an old makeup set that I had, so I just used that to apply it to my eyelids. I really like what it looked like. I feel like if you really want it to be like really bright and really pop, you would have to just like layer it on top of each other. I didn't do like a lot of layers because I just wanted you guys to see it, and I really didn't want to waste the makeup either. Like I didn't want to like just use it too much, like use a whole bunch of the makeup and then wipe it off, because it would just make it really hard to wipe it off and just be such a waste. But I want you guys to see what it looks like on my lids. I did like a light little layer, and it was really pretty. It kind of looks like silver, even though it's white. It kind of looks like a little bit silver. It's really nice little shimmer color, and I feel like this eyeshadow set like is really good for like beginners, because I'm not like the best eyeshadow connoisseur. I'm not really that great at doing my eyeshadows, but this was really easy to apply because it's, I guess because it's glitter, like it just pops. Like it just pops. Like I just put some on and it's hitting real hard. Okay, so I feel like if you want to get like a really bright look with it, you would layer it on with like, what you call it, setting spray. Yeah, so you just layer it on with some setting spray and get the color to like be super duper bright. I didn't do that because I just a review, you know what I'm saying? I'm just doing a little something so you guys can see what's going on. So after I showed you guys what it was hitting on, I had to just wipe it off so that I could go on to the other color. It was kind of hard to wipe it off, I ain't gonna lie, guys. Like, it was kind of difficult to just get it off my eyes because I already had like my lashes on and all of that, so I was trying to be like really careful. So now we're on to the other color. This is Chill, and it's Lavender Eye. So this is the lavender, yeah, the lavender color. Yeah, and this is just like a really nice chill color, you know, not too much. Yeah, so what happened is basically it fell, and I didn't realize that it fell. I was just like, what? Yeah, I was kind of shook. So basically I picked it up and I put it back into the little circle and continued, you know what I'm saying, like a pro, you know what I'm saying. Ain't nothing stopping this show. So basically this is what it looks like. I just used the eyeshadow applicator and applied it to my eyelids, and you guys are seeing what the little shimmer, this little lavender topper is giving. I thought it was really nice, really cute. I feel like I wasn't applying it the best of my ability. I feel like I was like being really messy with this one for some reason. I don't know why, but I tried to like clean it up with my fingertips because I was just like, why is it not coming out like super duper neat like the other one did. But I feel like overall I feel like I got it together in the end. So yeah, I was just trying to layer a little bit extra on the top so you can really see the lavender color pop on it. And then I went to the other eye and did the same thing basically. So yeah, I'm just layering it on, making sure that it gets like from like in my corners of my eyes to like the ends of my eyes, if you guys get my gist. But yeah, it was really cute. Like I was starting to like see it, like okay, I like that, it's nice, it's nice. I really like how easy these colors are to apply, like so easy. Like if you don't have any idea of how to do your eyeshadow, you can literally use your fingertips and just smudge it over your eyes and you're gonna look like that girl, okay, that girl. So this is what it basically looked like, and I thought it was nice. Let me know what you guys think of this color down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think of all these colors, first of all, and second of all, yeah, I want to know. So this is the chill ice. Yeah, I think this is the chill. This is the lavender. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. So cute, so nice. So after I finish that one, we're gonna try and wipe it off as we did before, because we have to just get on with it and try to show you all the colors. But yeah, this was just nice. All right, so after I wipe it off, then I'm going to be going to the magenta color so you guys can see what that looks like on my eyes. So yeah, it's a little process to just use my beauty blender to get it all off. So this is iced. Yeah, this is iced, the pink magenta color. It's really pretty, really nice. This is what it looks like. I didn't end up breaking this one like I did the the lavender one, but yes. So I want to show you guys kind of like a little bit of up close of what it looks like, because it's so bright. Like it's such a bright pink. It looks almost red. So I'm going to be applying it with my eyeshadow applicator, as I've shown you guys the past 2 times. And yeah, I just put it all over my lids, and I tried to really layer this one because I really wanted the pink to really pop and kind of show brightly, especially because it was like the last color. I was like, okay, let me kind of go hard on this one, because like, you know what I'm saying, I got time, and I didn't feel like I had to like wipe it off right afterwards, because I kind of kept it on for a few hours because it was just so cute. So yeah, that's what it was looking like. It just looks so glam so quickly. Like it looks really nice. This one is giving Christmas vibes. Like it looks like something you wear for like a Christmas party or something. I don't know, I think it's so pretty. So pretty. Oh, and another thing, guys, like if you are really doing this like in real life, you probably wouldn't be like putting it on and wiping it off like I was, because I was doing it for the video. But there was so much glitter all over my eyes, guys. Like, oh my god, there was so much glitter everywhere. So it wasn't showing up on camera, thank god, but in real life I had glitter all over my eyes. So yeah, that's one thing you guys would just be aware of, because it's super duper glittery. Like it's showing, yeah, you've seen the glitter on camera, but like in real life this thing is really like sparkly. So yeah, I'm just adding some more and trying to layer it a little bit on my eyes, but that's what it looks like, guys. It's so cute. I was in love. Like yes ma'am, this is nice. So yeah, this one just really popped. I don't know, I feel like this one popped the most. I think because it's pink, or because I'm kind of biased towards pink because it's my favorite color. But this one was just so pretty to me. I really liked it. So this is what it looked like. So I want you guys to let me know which one you like the most. So let me know if you like the glisten, that's it right there, or if you would like the chill, that's that right there, or if you like the iced. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.